I love my kids, but they like to prank me, so today I'm going to prank them. I've set up an escape room in this connected home, and what they have to do is solve a series of puzzles to find me or escape. So let's see if they can outsmart a smart home. I'm going to be watching them through a smart camera system. I'm going to be talking to them through smart voice control. Let's get started. Hey guys.
Where is Dad looking at us from?
I mean, there's a camera there, but where is he?
Are you guys ready?
The big guy is always watching.
That's creepy.
Yeah, it's
creepy.
To the left of you, you're going to see a box. I'm going to give you 5 seconds to pick 3 things each to help you escape. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Socks?
What did you take? That's really your 3 items?
You never know when an extra pair of socks might come in handy, Sherry.
Okay, good job, guys. Now that you have your 3 items each, solving your first puzzle will give you access to get into the house. The code will be in the answer to open the smart lock.
Okay.
First question.
Listen carefully. What year did the 3rd season of Holmes On Homes air? You have 10 seconds to answer it correctly. Go.
I think it was 2004.
Okay, 2004.
2003, 2004.
All right, let's try 2004.
Nice.
We're in.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready? In the hallway, find a device that displays numbers.
Maybe a keypad or something.
I don't know. This house is a smart house, so I feel like we have to find something else.
Okay.
All right, let's look.
Maybe a thermostat.
Ooh, maybe a clock.
Okay, thermostat.
Ah, okay. Why is it moving? It's getting colder. Look, look, look. I'm not even touching it.
It is good. That's Dad. That is definitely Dad.
I hate being cold.
That's what the socks are for.
I'm not touching.
Sherry?
I'm not touching.
Do you want to get out of here or not?
No, I'm not touching other
Sherry,
socks.
put
I'd
the
rather
socks-
lose.
put the
Michael,
sock-
I am
Sherry,
not touching other
put the
people's
socks
socks.
on
No,
your
look,
knee.
look, look. He's setting it to another number.
Okay, guys, I'm showing you 2 sets of numbers. Either memorize them or write them down.
32,
But no matter what, follow the flashing lights.
17. Okay. Flashing lights. Let's go.
In this room, there is a piece of paper with a message. Find it.
Okay, piece of paper. Piece of paper. Why are all the lamps flickering?
That's Dad.
Piece of paper. Piece of paper. How well does he hide stuff?
Saw that picture frame in the corner. That's weird. Where is this piece of paper?
Drawers. There's a desk.
Is it these pieces of paper?
Is it actually this piece of
On
paper?
camera.
Are you kidding
Most
me?
beautiful. Oh my God. Where did this come from?
Can you just pull the paper?
Wow. Oh, there they are.
Who would bother framing that?
What number
Okay.
were you again? This is awkward.
Yeah, yeah, it's funny. Get the paper.
Okay. Okay. I think I actually see. Let's see.
There's nothing on those.
Yeah, there are. There's something on them.
There's
But-
nothing on those.
I'm telling you, there's something on them. Look, you can see something.
Okay, well, the lights are flashing.
Okay, this one. Oh, okay,
Ah!
there it is. A room with the beeping has a video message.
Room with the beeping. Remember
Oh,
the beeping.
you hear
Remember
that?
the beeping?
Noise.
God, that was the most annoying beep I've ever heard.
Okay.
Okay,
need
there's
a
no
screen?
TV, so we need a video
There's a
message.
phone.
Someone just.
There's a phone.
Okay, okay.
Okay, it's dead.
Oh, perfect. Thanks, Dad.
Okay.
Dad, do you mind stopping the beeping? I found the room. It's really annoying.
It's dead, but we need. There's got to be a charger somewhere. Appears someone took the cable. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Oh, I was literally
So,
thinking of nothing.
We have a USB receptacle here. I'll plug it in here.
Okay.
Charge the phone.
Video message.
Okay. Okay, there's a password.
Dad left us numbers on the thermostat.
Okay.
3217.
Okay, we're in.
Okay.
All right.
The next puzzle involves hot and cold. Mix it properly and you'll move on.
Hot and cold.
Hot, cold. Okay, the kettle's going.
Ice cream. Ice cream's gotta be cold.
Ice cream's cold. Okay, check the freezer.
Aha, you sly fox, you.
Okay, so put that in the sink. Okay, watch just in case it splashes.
All right, the key is to get into the next room where I relax.
Okay, where he relaxes.
Where he relaxes.
Oh, it's not that hot.
Okay. Here we go. Got it.
Okay. Where does he relax?
No lock. Oh, I see the flashing.
Okay, key.
Yep. It works. Okay. Okay, flashing.
Flashing
Okay,
lamp.
that one's flashing. Oh, here we go. Okay. Let's see.
Hurry, hurry.
I'm trying.
You have 20 seconds to find me.
Ask Alexa what my favorite room. Alexa, what is my dad's favorite room in the house?
Your dad's favorite room is the garage.
Okay, go.
Okay,
20
let's go.
seconds.
Congratulations. You did it within 3 minutes to spare. That was really good.
Of course I did.
And daughter?
How did you do that anyway?
It was easy. It's all through Eaton's Home Automation Hub. I watched everything. I could talk to you, control everything. And I'd have to say that this is a little bit of a prank that I appreciate to do to you guys. All right, let's take a walk and we'll start where you guys began.
Okay.
Cool.